If you want to do and live a life of your choice, you cannot live it until you are thick-skinned. They say thick-skinned means you don't care about opinion of others. Recall your last 5 years and see if people rejected your idea or proposal, and what did you do when they rejected your idea? Okay, it can be anything. It can be in corporate point of view, your family point of view.
सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? Whatever new idea, there is always a resistance to change. As a human being, we have to understand. I mean, different people come with different thoughts, different ideas, different bring up, different thinking process. It's very natural to have opinion differences. And I was not aware at that time, but when recently I did my CIR and all that, then I got the next level of clarity that it's absolutely natural to have difference of opinion. Now the question comes is how internally I am too tightly attached to my opinion. Okay, this is the only way to do the things. Now that is where most of us get stuck. And with my mentoring experience of one of the best of the best people from the country, from IITs, NITs and all that in corporate, if we can understand this basic concept that people are different, people will have different opinion. Just awareness that the differences are natural to have will reduce a lot of conflict. Almost 50 to 60% will get reduced.
In the word obstacle, the first O itself, opinion of others. And I have seen myself in coaching people. Many times people have belief in it, but somehow they get that cold response from their friend circle, from their very close friends, where they expect this person has supported my idea, or they believe in the manager. They say, man, nobody's supporting my idea. And all of a sudden, I have seen people who are not able to handle it. They withdraw themselves from this situation. Second part of the obstacle word is B, building your network, and it will help you big time when you become manager, when you become senior manager. I can tell you one thing for sure: in your corporate world or in your entrepreneurship also, let's say you start a business, you will need your co-founders. You will need your volunteers. You will need a lot of people who will, any idea which is working. I like this line of John Maxwell: 1 is too less a number to achieve anything great in life. If we have to accomplish anything significant, we need people.